Can we control time? If not, let's create our own time. Opening the door to the fourth dimension, one stumbles upon the intricate dance of time, waltzing, twisting, and often blurring the lines between past, present, and future. Time, an elusive master, ebbs and flows around us, dictating the rhythm of our existence, yet inviting us to question its dominion. What if we could extend a hand to this formidable stream and mold it to our will? Can we, mere passengers in its eternal voyage, ever hope to pilot its course? This essay endeavors to unravel such questions, weaving through the realms of science and philosophy, a tapestry rich with the colors of curiosity and the shadows of deeper understanding.
The fabric of time. What actually is time? The concept of time has danced through the corridors of human thought since antiquity, brushing against philosophers and poets alike. Each era, each society bathed in its own perception of time. Aristotle contemplated it as a measure of change. Newton cast it as an unyielding flow, uninfluenced by the external world. A cosmic clock, ticking relentlessly. Beneath the surface of our daily experience, time spreads as a broader fabric, seamlessly woven with the fundamental forces of our universe. Modern physics approaches it through a dynamic spectacle, where time, space, and matter perform an interdependent ballet, challenging our intuitive grasp of seconds and centuries. Such are the insights offered by understanding the fabric of time, not merely as a river that carries us, but as an ocean we might one day navigate.
Einstein's revolutionary revelation, relativity and time dilation. Albert Einstein shattered the traditional pillars of understanding time with his theory of relativity. Before Einstein, time was the immutable backdrop of all experiences, a universal metronome. His insights, however, painted a radically different portrait. Time as a fluid dimension influenced by velocity and gravitational fields. With relativity, Einstein introduced us to time dilation, a phenomenon where time as measured by two observers can differ due to differences in their relative speeds or positions within a gravitational field. Thus, aboard a spaceship hurtling near light speed, a clock ticks more slowly compared to one on Earth. This introduces a tantalizing possibility. If time can stretch and compress, can it be controlled, or is it an untamable beast bound by the laws of the physics as we understand them today?
Experiencing time, how our minds shape reality. The river of time, though shaped by the laws of physics, is experienced through human consciousness, an entirely different realm. Each individual perceives time uniquely. During moments of awe or terror, time seems to slow down, while in monotony it hastens. Our psychological time, our internal clock, is a complex interplay of memory, attention, and anticipation. Studies in neuroscience have shown that our brains can stretch or compress the feeling of time passing, much like the physical phenomenon of time dilation. Does this indicate that we control time not just theoretically or through physical devices, but with the power of our own minds?
Stepping deeper into the psyche, it becomes apparent that our experience of time also informs and is informed by our mental and emotional states. Clinical studies suggest that disorders such as depression can give a feeling of time slowing down, while anxiety can appear to accelerate time's passage. This interaction between mental wellness and time perception suggests that, in a way, we are all time travelers in our minds. Could advances in psychological and neurological sciences offer new ways to harness this natural capacity? Exploring this could open doors to understanding not just where time carries us, but how we carry time within ourselves.
Venturing beyond known physical and psychological phenomena leads us into the realm of speculative science. Discussions on time machines or time control often populate the fringes of scientific dialogue. What are the possibilities and limits? Imagining technologies that manipulate time presents formidable theoretical challenges and raises intricate philosophical and ethical questions. Could manipulating time bring unforeseen consequences? Philosophers like Nick Bostrom argue that with great power over time might come great responsibility. Do we dare disturb the flow of time, knowing what cascading effects it might unleash?
Interestingly, technology already affects our perception and utility of time. High-speed communication technologies, for instance, have made instant interaction possible globally, effectively shrinking time and space in our social world. Emerging technologies like quantum computing could potentially alter our interaction with time once more. offering computations that are unimaginably fast compared to current standards. Could such advancements bring us closer to real, practical manipulation of temporal dimensions? These ideas push the envelope of current scientific theory towards a horizon rich with both promise and profound questions. As we speculate on and perhaps move towards some level of mastery over time, we must also ponder the moral implications. Control over time presents unique ethical considerations, balancing the benefits against potential societal impacts, considering issues of inequality and the potential to rewrite historical events or outcomes. Preserving the sanctity of time, respecting its natural flow while exploring its boundaries with humility and caution remains paramount. This journey through the possibilities of interacting with, adapting, and perhaps controlling time introduces us to more than scientific curiosity. It invites us to question deeply our place within the weave of the universe and our responsibilities as potential shapers of time's tapestry.
Imagine for a moment that time is not a relentless force pushing us forward, but a malleable substance, an ethereal element that can be stretched, compressed, or possibly even folded. Throughout history, time has been a constant and unchangeable flow from past to present to future, but what if we could alter that?